tap that. Scotty over to Gray, the corner triple, money.
And you know how dangerous that shot is.
And it did not. Kanya is able to tap that. Scotty over to Gray, the corner triple, money.
And you know how dangerous that shot is.
Six seconds to shoot. Stingray makes his move. Puts it up and in. Great move there by Dinoy with back-to-back triples. Stanley Pringle stops, pops, and he can't let it drop. Also was intercepted. It's going to go out of bounds. No, it's still in action. JB off the glass. That's good.
But if you are...
That's a great matchup against Scotty. All red shirts there for that rebound. 10 of them inside. Norbert for three. No good. Here's Yap. The runner off the glass, money.
Yeah, he's not gonna force that.
One right now left here. As there's an alley-oop to JB. Well, you look good regardless, coach. JB forces that in. Walls over to Borbora. Nice pass to Torres down low for two. Now with Nambata. Stingray attacks. Stingray draws the foul, puts it up. Gets
nice
the bucket.
shot right there. Being done by Rainer Shine.
Japet gets away. Japet Aguilar with a gentle layup.
Yeah. Secret was actually made in the Philippines.
Wow, Apple the Fridge with all the trivia. Shine. Big bow over to Nambata. Stingray. Step back. Draws the foul from Japet. Go ahead. JB spins. Gets inside the paint. Over to Scotty Thompson. Then they reverse. The basket plus the foul for Spurs. Lead here for Rain or Shine. Belga, flat foot three-pointer. It is good. The Nards. Pinto, elbow jumper's good.
Good pass back coming from Japet Aguilar.
Here's Gabe. Over to Mamuya. Gian back to Gabe. Gabe long two. That's good. Gabe. On your way. Here's Stanley. Pringle over to Nards. Pinto for three. Got it. Norwood over to James. Wide open all day to shoot a triple. He drills it. Big game. Here's Gray. Jeremiah pulls up. Nambata. Elbow jump shot. Too strong. You're very funny. And look at Big Bo with a head fake with a bucket down low.
It's not yet over. But big shots needed by Rain or Shine, and it happened.